Hi, hello, welcome to the LINmagination channel. I am vlogging on my Camp Snap 8 camera, so it'll look and feel like a vlog from the 90s or early 2000s, and I'm really excited to put this video together. Alright, home sweet home. We just made it to Seward. Actually, we're staying in Lowell Point, which is very close to Seward. And let me give you a little tour of our cottage. So we have a little seating area here. And let me pivot towards the kitchen. I love that painting of the humpback whale breaching out of the water. Here is the living room. And then here is the bedroom, so this is where me and Sean will be sleeping. And then here is the bathroom. So we have a stand-up shower, a little sink, and then obviously the toilet. And then upstairs we have a loft, and there's also a bed up there, so that's where Jen's gonna be sleeping. I believe this cottage sleeps up to 6 people. And we love staying here. Alright, so we are up in the loft, and this is where Jen is sleeping. Alright, here is our first meal while in Seward. We always get barbecue from Firebrand Barbecue. It's like our favorite meal in town. Unless you want to walk to the beach. Alright, we've made it to the beach. It's less than a 4-minute walk to get here. And it's raining just very lightly though. Hi Daisy, Dash, Shine. Okay.
gray or seaweed. Green, yeah. Yeah. I see they fell off there. Yeah, I think the one with the rounded one.
Right now we are at exit Glacier. It is lightly raining, but check out these views. So beautiful. Alright, so there is exit Glacier, which is fed by the Harding ice field. And let's just zoom in. It's crazy because I feel like even just last year it was further down for sure.